Hi, this is Kira with TBLC. We've had a lot of questions about how you can get your statistics from FedEx, so this video will show you how to do that. You can start by logging in and then going up at the tippy top to Tracking and select Advanced Shipment Tracking. This takes a minute to load, and it also sometimes offers to give you a tour. We're going to wait till that loads and just X out of the tour. And then here you can see the tracking number, the status, the delivery date, and a whole bunch of other possibly useful information. But if you're just interested in getting your statistics, we can edit these columns, and we'll start with the shipment information. There's some information that you need and some that you don't, so we can get rid of the delivered date, we can get rid of the direction, but one of the things that you do want to include is the number of packages, so you know how many you sent. And then you can also unselect, if you want the reference number or keep that selected, you can unselect the scheduled delivery date and the scheduled delivery time. You can deselect the status, but another thing that you might want to keep is the tracking number. Then you can apply that, and it's going to show you a slightly different view. But we want to get down to just the information that we need. So we can also go to the shipper information. And since we are the shipper, we don't need to be told that information, so we can eliminate that. We can apply that, and then we can also go to the recipient information. And here it shows you both the recipient company and the recipient contact name. We probably don't need both of those, so we can just eliminate one of those and then apply that. And now here we have a list with the tracking number, the recipient company, the reference number, and the number of packages. And while you're here, you can either reset this to go back to where you were, or you can save this view so that each time you want to gather statistics, you can easily get to this view. The other option that you have is to export this. And when you export it, you can export the current view or all of your shipments. You can do the current columns, that will be the sheet that you just created, or all available columns. If you do all available columns, you can then manipulate the data in Excel, and you can export as a CSV or an XML. Then you export the data, and it will look something like this in Excel. Your version of Excel may vary. Excel doesn't like the tracking numbers, so you can fix that by right-clicking on it, formatting the cells to make them numbers, and then adjusting the decimal places, and we're back to the regular tracking numbers. And then here we've got the tracking number, the recipient, the reference number, the ship date, and the number of packages, and you can just sum that up at the bottom, and you have your statistics. If you have any questions about how to get your statistics from FedEx or anything else delivery related, please email us at tblcdelivery@tblc.org, and we will be happy to answer all of your questions. Thank you for watching.